Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are one of the most common types of bacterial infections worldwide. And then it is estimated that over 150 million people contract UTIs each year. If you are one of the people in the world who experiences recurrent UTIs, you may be seeking for natural and alternative solutions to avoid excessive exposure to antibiotic drugs. And then today, I am going to give you top 5 most powerful herbs for fighting urinary tract infections. My name is Dr. Asonaba Owusu Aduomi. I'm the herbal doctor for Organic Foods Ghana, or Healthy Soul Enterprise. When we are talking about natural solutions for treating urinary tract infections, there's no way we can go without mentioning this powerful herb called Cornsilk. Cornsilk helps rid the body of the ammonia odor in the urine. It is good for chronic urinary disorders and will alleviate painful urination due to prostate gland problems. It reduces uric acid buildup, and then it is a good remedy for all inflammatory conditions of the urethra, bladder, prostate, and then the kidneys. Cornsilk can also remove gravel from the kidneys, bladder, and then the prostate. It helps with the aged when their urine is scanty and has heavy sediments. Echinacea has been used for years for syphilis, gonorrhea, and then in douches for all vaginal infections. And several human and animal studies suggest that echinacea contains active substance that can boost immune function, relieve pain, reduces inflammation, and have hormonal, antiviral, and antioxidant effects. For this reason, professional herbalists may recommend echinacea to treat urinary tract infections, vaginal infections, and many more infectious diseases. You've heard about stinging nettle and how it stings when it touches your skin. Medicinally, just as it stings, nature wants to tell you how it could be stinging on human diseases within the organism. When it is steeped in boiling water, the stinging disappears, but it miraculously stings on diseases when it is taken into the system. Stinging nettle may help flush out harmful bacteria from the urinary tract. And then there's another powerful herb for fighting urinary tract infections. That is marshmallow. Because of its mucilaginous properties, it is very soothing and healing, beneficial in removing gravel and stones from the urinary tract and also hemorrhage from the urinary organs. The soothing effect of marshmallow can relieve internal irritation and inflammation in the urinary tract. Research from 2015 also suggests that its antibacterial effects may be useful in treating urinary tract infections. So marshmallow is another powerful plant that you can use to treat your vaginal infections or your urinary tract infections without the use of any antibiotic drug, which will also cause a very serious side effect on your health. There's another plant or herb that can also help you cure your urinary tract infections. That is saw palmetto. Most people have heard about saw palmetto, and saw palmetto also comes with a lot of benefits. It cures so many diseases. The berries of the plants are commonly used in supplements to improve prostate health, balance hormones, and prevent hair loss in men. It is also associated with other benefits, including decreased inflammation and improved urinary function. And then saw palmetto lower urinary tract symptoms, increase urine flow, and improve the overall quality of life. So these are the top 5 most powerful herbs for fighting urinary tract infections. So the question is, how do one use this supplement to cure urinary tract infections? If you have access to all these 5 products, it is better to get all of them. And then when you have stinging nettle, saw palmetto, marshmallow, echinacea, and then Cornsilk, what you do is that take 1 teaspoon of the echinacea powder and then 1 teaspoon of the saw palmetto powder. Mix these two together. Take them on empty stomach, morning before meals and then evening before meals. This will help flush out toxins and also cure your urinary tract infections. And then with the Cornsilk, you can boil Cornsilk tea, drink it morning after meals and then evening after meals. So when you have marshmallow and then stinging nettle, you can mix these two together. Take 1 teaspoon each of these supplements, mix them together, take it in the afternoon before or after meals, and then last thing to be taken at night when you are going to bed. When you have all these 5 products together, and then by using them together will also help speed up recovery. And then if you don't have all these 5 products together and you have about 2 or 3 of them, you can also use them together, and this will help you to cure all your urinary tract infections. These are top 5 most natural home remedies that can help you cure your urinary tract infections without causing any side effect. These supplements are far better than using chemical or artificial antibiotics, which comes with serious side effects. And make sure when you have a partner, this supplement should be taken together with your partner. The reason is that these are transmitted diseases. So when one person takes it without the other one taking it, it might not solve the problem. So it is better to use them together with your partner. Thanks so much for watching this video. My name is Asonaba Owusu Aduomi, and I always say this all the time: fear what you eat more than the devil himself, because if you eat well, you will live long. Thanks so much for watching.